What's good? What's good? Mr. 300C in the building. Y'all know what we about to do. Yeah, we changing out the air filter. As you can see, I've already started to take this apart so I can drop in that K&N drop-in air filter. And pretty simple install here, not going to waste any time, but I just disconnected the air intake tubing just so I can lift this up a little bit easier. And basically you have these little clips that go over here. You just pop those towards you and then lift up and wiggle, and you can pull out the top lid. But yeah, we're gonna swap this out so this HEMI can breathe. So here's the old intake drop-in filter. This thing looks kind of old. As you can tell, paper filter. Yeah, this had to go, yo. This thing is a hot mess. Let's see how dirty it is. Oh yeah, look at all that dirt. Woo, that's a lot of dirt clogging up the HEMI so you can't breathe. Nice and clean, easy fit. Flush. There's some oil on here. That's to catch some of the dust too. So this is a washable filter. This should open up a couple ponies, a couple of torque, not too much. Don't think this is going to give you a lot of gains because it's not. Depending on your car, you may get up to 5 horsepower and 5 torque, but I'm thinking more like 2 or 3. But you should get better throttle response and hear the engine better since you got nice air. Super easy install. Put the cover back on, call it a day. All right, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. That sounds great. That sounds very good. I felt the response immediately after putting this filter in. So I highly recommend get that drop-in air filter. Holla at your boy, Mr. 300C. It's out.